Which event brought about a profound change in Ashoka's administrative policy? Option number B, the Kalinga War. Question number 2. The Regulating Act of 1773 led to the establishment of which judicial institution? Option number C, Supreme Court at Calcutta. Question number 3. GDP at constant prices is also known as? Option number A, real GDP. Question number 4. Which Pallava ruler is credited with the construction of the Shore Temple? Option number C is the right answer, Narasimha Burman II. Question number 5. Who is the current Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir as of 2025? Option number C is the correct answer, Omar Abdullah. Question number 6. What is the primary cause of goiter in humans? Option number C is the correct answer, deficiency of iodine. Question number 7. Sekreni festival is celebrated by which Naga tribe? Option number B is the correct answer, Angami. Question number 8. Purushottam Dadhich, a renowned Kathak dancer who was honored with the Padma Shri in 2020, is associated with which of the following places? Option number D is the right answer, Madhya Pradesh. Question number 9. What is the full form of AFI in the context of Indian sports? Option number B, Athletics Federation of India. Question number 10. Gangaikonda Cholapuram was built by which Chola king? Option number A is the correct answer, Rajendra Chola I. Question number 11. The Poo dance is a famous dance form of which of the following states? Option number B, Andhra Pradesh. Question number 12. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the introduction of the Goods and Service Tax, GST? Option number B, Article 279A. 13. With reference to slash and burn agriculture, which of the following names is not related to Odisha? Is not related to Odisha. 13. Option number D will be the correct answer, Roka. 14. Which country hosted the first ever Cricket World Cup in 1975? Option number A is the correct answer, England. 15. Epilepsy is a disorder that affects which of the following parts of the human body? Option number A, brain cells. 16. Which of the following is not a vector quantity? Option number C is the correct answer, distance. 17. In which year was Nadega Act enacted? Option number B is the correct answer, 2005. 18. Article 16 of the Indian Constitution guarantees. Option number B, equality of opportunity in matters of public employment. 19. What is the main objective of the PM Swanidhi scheme? Option number D, to provide affordable loans to street vendors. 20. Which Indian state is the largest producer of mica? Option number C, Andhra Pradesh is the correct answer. 21. Which article of the Indian Constitution allows the centre to legislate on state subjects during a national emergency? State subject. So option number A is the correct answer, Article 250. 22. Ustad Ghagge Khuda Baksh was a famous exponent of which of the following musical tradition? Option number C is the correct answer, Agra Gharana. 23. Arya Samaj was established in which year? Option number B is the correct answer, 1875, and it is established by Swami Dayananda Saraswati. 24. What is the title of Saina Nawal's autobiography? Option number B, Playing to Win. Question number 25. The unemployment rate is calculated as? Option number C, unemployed person by labor force into 100. Question number 26. Which Indian states are famous for the chowdans? Option number B is the correct answer. Jharkhand, Odisha and West Bengal. 27. Which article of the Indian Constitution provide for a parliamentary form of government at the center? Option number A is the correct answer. Article 74 and 75. 28. Kharif crops are generally harvested in? Option number D, September, October. 29. What is the main objective of the Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana, PMMY? Option number B, provide financial support to small and micro enterprises. 30. In which year was the Quit India movement launched? Option number B is the correct answer, 1942. 31. Which disease is caused due to severe protein deficiency in children? Option number B is the correct answer, kwashiorkor. 32. Which of the following animals is a reptile? Option number D is the correct answer, crocodile. 33. Who is the current governor of Odisha? Option number C is the right answer, Kambhampati Haribabu. 34. Which of the following is the autobiography of Bhisham Sahani? Option number A is the correct answer, Aaj Ki Atit. Aaj Ke Atit. 35. In which year was the Multi-Dimensional Poverty Index MPI launched in India? Option number A is the correct answer, 2021. 36. Pallavi type of Nagara temples are generally dash in shape with a roof that rises into a vaulted chamber. Option number D is the right answer, rectangular. 37. The famous temple complex at Hampi is dedicated to which Hindu deity? Option number C is the right answer, Virupaksha. 38. When was the drafting committee of the Constituent Assembly formed? Option number B, August 29, 1947. 39. The Durg Bastar Chandrapur iron belt lies in which of the following groups of states? Option number B, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra. 40. What is the name of the inaugural professional Kho-Kho league launched in India in 2022? 2022. Option number D, Ultimate Kho-Kho. 41. Which of the following was the first regional rural bank of India? Option number C, Pratham Bank. 42. When were regional rural banks established in India? Option number C, 1975. Question number 43. The elements that are liquid at room temperature 25 degrees Celsius are? Option number C, bromine and mercury. 44. Which fundamental right is guaranteed under Article 21 of the Indian Constitution? Option number A, right to life and personal liberty. 45. Where was the capital of Maitraka dynasty? Option number B is the right answer, Pahlavi. 46. Which of the following individuals was posthumously awarded the Padma Bhushan in 2025? Option number A, Pankaj Udhas is the right answer. 47. For transporting water from one place to another, some man-made structures used to distribute water to a place far away are known as. Option number C is the right answer, aqueducts. 48. Which of the following awards is not sponsored by the Madhya Pradesh government? Is not sponsored. Option number A, Tagore Ratna. 49. Who among the following was the chief guest of India's first Republican Day in 1950? Republic Day. Option number C, Shukarna is the right answer. Question number 50. In which year did India first participate in the Olympic Games? Option number B is the correct answer, 1900.